What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now, I am outside of the Hog On Cafe. It's a shipping container conversion that I've been working on. And I had a few people inbox me and ask me how to make them. I should come up with a print. I should sell them. They said, man, I would buy one of your prints, man, if you could show me how to make money doing them or show me how to be able to do my own personally on a personal scale. So today, I'm here working on prints, man. I've been getting some drawings down. I've already been working on them, but now I'm trying to fine tune them. So I'm still caught up in between how much I'm going to sell them for, but maybe you can help me with that. I want to come up with something fair that can help people, that they can be able to get these prints for me and be able to make their own conversion. So my goal is to show you how to turn a 40-foot high cube shipping container into a cafe or into a bar or into a studio or into a studio home, and the other half into a storage, so that way you can sell the other half to be able to help finance your end of the deal. So if you think that's interesting to you, let me know what you think the prices should be. Right now I'm up in the air, but